How do environment change over time?
Very good. First, who did the best on our practice quiz? Let's take a look at quizzes. So I'm not super happy with this, okay? But good job, Sal. Kaki's not in this class. Zalin, Minhwang, good job. Kwanhai, nice. Kui, Mia, Ocean. Hey, there's me. All right. Great job, guys, who did do it. Let's go over it as a class. And number 1 is phytoplankton inhabit. Leihan. Leihan, go ahead, Leihan.
Phytoplankton habits in the surface of the ocean.
Good. Can you say surface?
Surface.
Good. Surface means on top. Phytoplankton make food like plants. They need sunlight. So they're on the surface, the top of the ocean. All right, number 2. Do you like the ocean? Everybody answer.
Yes. Yeah.
All right, I hear a couple different answers. So let's put down all 3. All right, question number 3. 90% of the ocean belongs in this ocean layer. What is it? Teddy.
Sunlight zone.
90% of the ocean water of the ocean belongs in this layer. Which layer is the largest?
Midnight zone.
There we go. Right? Not which one has the most kinds of animals. Good job, Teddy. Why is the ocean salty? Chi.
Because the ocean has salt.
Very good. Nice and loud too. I love it. Because the ocean has salt. Oh my gosh. That's my fault, Chi. I accidentally clicked the wrong one. Good job, Chi. Lanternfish, hatchetfish, and the wolf eel live in this zone. Name the zone. Kiwi.
Midnight zone.
Not quite. It's the twilight zone. Very close, Kiwi. Bioluminescence means that a creature produces its own. Mickey.
Light.
Very good. Light. Excellent job, Mickey. But go ahead and answer. Seas, bays, oceans, and gulfs are other bodies of?
Salt water.
Good job. Bioluminescence is mostly found in which zone? Assie?
This is in sunlight.
Sunlight? Oh, not quite. Good guess though, Assie. The twilight zone where it's darker, so they need to glow in the dark. In which zone would you find squid?
All of them.
Very good. Nice job, Minhong. All of them. 10. Which ocean zone allows plants to grow? Hacker?
Midnight zone.
Let's give someone else a try. Cindy?
What do you say? Sunlight zone.
Sunlight zone, right? Plants grow in the sunlight zone because plants need sunlight to grow, right? Plants need light to grow. And bioluminescence is in the twilight zone because sunlight zone already has light. And the midnight zone, a lot of the animals don't have eyes because it's too dark. So bioluminescence is in the twilight zone. Okay. Which ocean zone contains the most different species? Hannah.
Midnight zone. Sunlight zone.
All right, sunlight zone. Was that Emma? Did you say that, or was it Hannah?
Hannah.
Hannah. Emma, the ocean layers are divided by the amount of blank and blank in each layer.
Light, depth.
Very good. Light and depth. Great work, girls. Think about the depth of the ocean, how deep it goes. Can the ocean water cover Mount Everest? Leo.
Yes.
Yes, exactly. The ocean is that deep. Nice job, Leo. Zalin, what covers 70% of the Earth's surface? Go ahead and type your answer to me. Nice job, Zalin. Why do I keep doing that? Zalin said salt water. I saw the S and clicked it. Salt water. Good job, Zalin. Which zone is completely dark and near freezing in temperature? Minhuang? All right, go ahead, Minhuang.
Zone.
Very good. Midnight zone. Nice work. There are blank oceans in the world. Sao.
There are 5 oceans in the world.
Very good, Sal. There are 5 oceans. All right, guys, good job. You guys only got 2 incorrect. 2 of those were me pressing the wrong button. Very sorry, I was in a rush. All right, let's go into today's lesson. All right, I have an iPad. Who is iPad? Kui, can you read the title for me?
How do environments change over time?
Very good, Kui. And Hacker, what do you think we're going to be learning about based on the title? Hacker, what do you think we'll be learning about?
Environment.
Environments. Very good. What do you see in this photo? Noob, what do you see?
I see a tree.
Suri, what do you see in the picture?
No.
No? That's okay. I'll come back to you in a little bit, okay? Kwanhai, what do
I see some grass.
What do you think happened in this picture? What do you see? What do the trees look like? What does the grass look like?
The grass is green and it have no shape.
All right, good start.
The trees is long and tall.
Very good. Those are nice descriptions, Kwanhai. The trees are long and tall. All right. Who else can make an observation about the trees? Chi?
The trees, I see some trees fall.
Yeah, they fall. What do you think caused the forest to look like this, Chi?
People chop it.
All right, maybe people are chopping down the trees. Eddie, what color are the trees?
The color of the tree is brown, dark brown, and something white.
Good. So here's a hint, Teddy. It isn't the season fall. It might be spring or summer. So why do the trees look like this? What do you think, Teddy?
I think people chop down the trees or animals sometimes accidentally hurt the trees.
Yeah, maybe. So the trees don't have leaves, but it's not the fall. So the leaves didn't just fall off the trees. And here's another hint. The plants at the bottom of the forest aren't grass, they're baby trees. Why do you think it looks like this? Why are there baby trees? Why do the trees not have leaves? Leihan, what do you think?
I think it's winter.
No, it's not fall or winter. It's summer or spring. So why do you think the trees don't have leaves, and why are there a bunch of baby trees now? Asi, what do you think? Minlong?
I think it's the tree fell all the leaves because they grow new babies.
Not quite, not to make babies, but that's a really good guess, Minlong. I'm very impressed. Good scientific mind. Asi, I saw you raise your hand. Did you come up with an answer?
I think the tree fall down, but the seed fill in the ground, so it some tree again.
Yeah, so maybe the trees fell down and left their seeds in the ground. Hannah and Emma?
People cut trees down to make paper.
All right, maybe they're cutting them down. So I'll give you guys the answer now. See how the trees look black at the bottom? It's summer or spring, but there are no leaves and there's all these baby trees. Maybe that's because a month or two ago, there was a forest fire. There was a fire, so all the trees died. And now look, all these new trees are growing in its place. So that's the what. What is it actually? This was caused by a forest fire, and now the forest is growing back. What is a habitat? Assie, can you read the definition? Cindy, where's Cindy? Oh, here we go. Cindy, can you read this for us?
A place where an animal or plant lives.
Very good. And can you give me an example of a habitat, Cindy?
In the jungle.
Very good, a jungle. Great job. So the habitat's the place where they live. What is the environment? Emma, can you read this for me?
All living things and non-living things in a place.
Very good. So if the habitat is the jungle, the environment would be the river, the rocks, the trees, the temperature. Good job, Emma. All right, let's watch a video about all of this now that we have a better idea. Everyone, make sure you pay close attention, okay? I will be asking you guys questions throughout the video. I'll also stop to read some of it, since not all of it is read out loud and the words go by pretty fast. Okay, so this is in Italy, in Venice, Italy. And this is about how the environment has changed in a good way. So this is, can someone read the title for us? Let's see, how about, Zalin can't read, sorry Zalin. Hacker, can you read this, title for us?
Clearing water, clean air.
And the words underneath?
The environmental effect of coronavirus.
Good. Can you say environmental?
Yes.
Go ahead, say environmental.
Environmental.
Better. And can you say cleaner, please? Cleaner.
Cleaner.
Much better, Hacker. Good work. So cleaner water, cleaner air. Let's look at how the coronavirus has affected the environment. Crystal clear waters in the canals of Venice. Canals are these little waterways, and people in Venice, they go through the whole city. People use them like roads, like streets in little boats. So look how clear the water is now. With Italy under lockdown because of the coronavirus outbreak, the crowds of tourists who normally swarm the canals are gone. Tourism was affecting the canals in a bad way. Too many tourists. And the pollution from motorboats is reduced. There's less pollution from the motorboats like these. For the few locals who leave their home, it's an unusual sight.
Ma è sicuramente più limpido, basta vedere il canale con l'acqua.
The canal is definitely clearer. You just have to look at the canal when the water's very
Non ci sono
calm.
le navi.
There's no boats, there's no traffic, it's definitely cleaner.
Traffico zero, certo che è più pulita.
Who can read this for me? Suri, can you read this for me, please?
It is just one of the
Possibly beneficial.
clouds that we beneficial on the environment after
That word is pandemic.
pandemic.
Good job, Suri. So pandemic, coronavirus is a pandemic. It's a sickness that spreads over the whole world. So the cleaner water of Italy is one of the beneficial effects. Beneficial means good effects on the environment of the coronavirus. In cities across the world, the streets have emptied of people and vehicles. Everyone say your answer to this question. Vietnam, are the streets of Vietnam less busy, more busy, or the same? Let's see. Kiwi, what do you think?
I think busy.
You think the streets of Vietnam, is there more traffic than there used to be? Or is there less traffic? Less traffic, so it's less busy. Right? Vietnam doesn't have nearly as many motorbikes and cars on the street as there used to be. That's happening all over the world. Look how empty it is. Factories have shut down and flights have been grounded. So there's no flying, there's no motorbikes. And in China, there has been a significant drop in pollution caused by cars. And that's seen all over the world. Look at the pollution before and after coronavirus. There's much less pollution in the air. So Italy has seen similar effects where there's much less pollution in the air since there's a lot less people. Even in New York City, in America, there's been a 5 to 10% drop in carbon dioxide this week. Remember, carbon dioxide in the air is bad. And they think it's because traffic levels fell 35%. There's less traffic. All right, so now that we've watched this video, let's discuss it now. So I want to know, what did you learn from this video?
Have a water.
Good, cleaner water. What else did we see in that video? Kwanhai, what else did you learn in that video?
We learned it is coronavirus, and in Vietnam and other countries is very not a lot of people is busy in the road, just 4 or 5 people in the road.
And how does that affect the environment, Kwanhai?
But the people go in the road just in Vietnam just have important things. If doesn't have important things, they don't go out of the house because the police cannot force the who have the paper or have important things they can for us go to outside.
Excellent, Kwanhai. Good job. And Sao, can you tell me, how does that help the environment? How has that affected the environment?
Have the environment clean.
Yeah, exactly. It helps the environment get clean. The water's cleaner, the air is cleaner. What do you think will happen? Mickey, what do you think will happen when coronavirus is over and we go back to normal? What will happen to the environment? Will the air stay clean? Will the water stay clean, or will it get dirty again? Ocean, what do you think? Will the water stay clean, or will it get dirty again?
Really get dirty again.
Yeah, it'll get dirty again. So the whole world needs to use this as a lesson that when we shut down factories and when we use less motorbikes and cars, that we can really, really, really help the world. We can really help the environment. So maybe now's the time we find different ways to travel, right? Or we work from home. So this is a lesson to the whole world about how we can change the environment of the world. Okay, let's go on to our class. What can cause a habitat to change? Min Huang.
Dirty.
Yeah, maybe it gets dirty from different things. That's a good start, Min Huang. What else causes a habitat to change? Let's see. Think about a forest or the ocean. What makes it change? What can make it different? Something people do, something that happens naturally. What can make a forest different from what it was before?
Fire.
Fire. All right, forest fires, that can be natural or by people. Minha's joined us today. Minha, what do you think can cause the habitat to change?
Trash.
Trash. Excellent job, Minha. We throw trash everywhere. Zalin, you can answer in the chat, Zalin. Hacker, what else causes a habitat to change?
Don't spill wastewater.
All right, exactly. Wasting or using too much water. Good job. Hannah, you're on now. Hannah, what can cause a habitat to change?
Make a pollution air.
Excellent job.
Make a pollution air.
Making the air polluted is how we would say it. Nice work, right? We make the air polluted. Let's see, Teddy, I got some in the chat. Teddy said cutting down trees. Chi said use less water to keep the ocean clean. Chi said catching too many fish. That goes for other animals too. Animals on land also. Zalin, making the air dirty. Good job, Zalin. Okay, guys, that's a good start. So here are the ones I came up with. We have people, like pollution, weather. So these also change habitats. Weather like floods or like hurricanes. Animals can change a habitat by building or using things, or maybe by eating other animals. And plants can change a habitat, right? If one plant gets really sick, the rest might die. So what are some changes in environment caused by humans? New roads, pollution, dams, cars. Let's see, Lehan, can you read this definition for pollution?
Damage, equal damage caused to water, air, or land by bad action.
Good, say actions.
Actions.
Good, by bad actions. Very good, so this is damage caused to water, air, or land by bad actions. Everyone chat me some everyday things we do that cause pollution. Minha, what's something we do that causes pollution? Hannah says cutting down trees to make paper. Minha, what do you think? What can people do that causes pollution, that's bad for the habitat?
Trash.
Good. Throwing trash. Excellent, Minha. Teddy says car, motorbikes. Asi, can you give me another thing we do that causes pollution? It could be to water, to land, to the air. What do you think, Asi?
I don't know.
That's okay. I have one, it's factories. Factories make pollution. Zalin says wasting water. Dee says making water dirty. This is a good start, everybody. So there's also the ones caused by weather. Asi, can you read some of these for me?
Tsunami.
This word,
Forest fire.
yes, very nice.
Volcano.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
Good, excellent job, Asi. So these are caused by nature, and so are plants and animals. We'll do that brainstorm later. So what happens to plants and animals when a habitat changes? Everyone, let's read these together. Read these 3 things that happen to animals when a habitat changes. Ready?
Oh, no. I'm never know.
Move, die, and adapt. And if they all die, they go extinct. There are no more left. All right. So, what did you learn today? Teddy, what did you learn today?
I learned that we have to protect the animals and the forest and using less pollution and other like motorbikes and car we can use bike instead.
Good. Less pollution, use bikes instead. Does anyone have anything else to add? You can raise your hand in your video. Anything else to add? Kiwi?
We learn about how to make clean air.
How to make clean air. Very good. Kwanghan, anything else?
And today we learn about weather damage, weather like tornado, tsunamis, or droughts, or fire, forest, or a lot of other damage. Weather.
Nice. So we also learn natural things that change the environment, right? All right, guys. Great work today. So let's go over your homework quickly. Your homework for tomorrow is a quizzes. Here's your code, 519-8